All right, it's time to turn this game room into something amazing. Let's start with these Govee curtain lights. Hey Mario, how's it going? Now let's check out a few other items we got from Five Below. We got the bookshelf RGB light, followed by a cool Bluetooth speaker with a water fountain special effect. Then followed by a wireless phone charger headphone stand. Now let's circle back to some cool Govee products, ending with Govee RGB strip LED lights that are illuminating the TV and monitors. Oh, snap. Unfortunately, one of these items didn't quite make the cut. It seems like it had a bit of a malfunction. Keep on watching to see if I'm able to solve the issue before Christmas morning. Let's get into the repair. On this Five Below Bluetooth speaker that shoots up water. It's actually pretty cool, except for it gets noisy as the music amplifies. So let's go to volume 2. Alexa, change volume to 2. So I just noticed, see, it works just fine when it's barely playing any music. So I feel like the motor in there is trying too hard when the music's amplified. So I did remove the screws. Let's just take this off real quick so we can see the mechanisms in here. So you got the speaker there. It's got 2 wires going to the speaker, 2 wires going to the LED lights, and then 2 wires going to this motor here. So if I disconnect this, so Alexa, turn up volume to 5. See, now it's doing that noise again. So let's go ahead and unplug this. All right, so I disconnected those 2 wires. Motor's not doing it anymore. And the music sounds fine. Alexa, volume 8. Alexa, stop. So the idea is really cool. It was $15 at Five Below. Kind of sad that it's not working properly, but I was looking on Amazon and they got some really other cool ones that I want to try out. So I think we'll probably just return this one. I'm sure we just got a bad one, a dud one on this. The idea is really cool. Unfortunately, we were not able to save the Bluetooth speaker. But it's okay. Everything else turned amazing. Best Christmas morning ever. I'm going to drop some description, in the description, some affiliate links of some of the Govee product lights that you saw in here. The curtain lights are amazing. So many customizations that you can do. That Mario one was uploaded by a different user where they made that and share it through the Govee app. And I didn't realize that, but there's just tons and tons of stuff that people have made and they're sharing, and you can really do some cool special effects. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. See you on the next one.